Hey everyone, Cody from Mac Telecom Networks. Today on April 1st, Ubiquiti released their second Ubiquiti Insider. I'm not too sure if this is an April Fool's joke or not, but we're going to take a look at what they have in their video and then we'll talk about it after. I'll also put the original video down in the description below. So let's take a look.
Welcome to Ubiquiti Insider, where we share insights into the latest Ubiquiti R&D advancements. We've recently launched brand new hardware and software, as well as major updates across Unifi Network, Protect, Talk, and UID, all with the goal of simplifying IT. Starting with our next-generation Unifi Gateway Pro, a powerful security gateway that can supplement your Unifi console to offload all routing responsibilities for medium to large-size networks. The UXG Pro can also be paired with a cloud console to support higher-scale Unifi network deployments. In Unifi Protect, we have the G4 Instant, a brand new plug-and-play wireless camera with upgraded outdoor features. From the moment the camera is powered on, it is instantly recognized and automatically connects to your Unifi Wi-Fi system. Analyze your footage with the all-new heat map filter that clearly highlights traffic volume for any space. Our Unifi Talk application also saw some user experience advancements, including sequential call handling in groups, voicemail email notifications with a full transcript and recording of the message. Groups and smart attendants have the ability to include and call external numbers, and a much improved number assignment system for smart attendants. We announced the official launch of Unifi Identity in the US, a simple, secure, and completely scalable solution for employee and IT site management. As an administrator, UID provides you with a rich set of features to simplify employee management and streamline how they can securely interact with your organization's infrastructure. As an employee, UID creates a simple, consolidated experience with one-click access to doors, Wi-Fi, and VPN. And with UI Verify, multi-factor authentication is made easy and convenient. UID provides an intuitive and effective way to secure your organization. The Unifi OS Console Resource Calculator is a brand new tool that helps you figure out which console is best for you. Select the applications you want to run, the number of devices, and then cycle through the console options to determine which one is best suited for your configuration. You can even account for advanced features such as VPN, threat management, and the number of days you want to retain your footage. Try out the Resource Calculator at calculator.ui.com. UISP Design Center allows you to simply and accurately simulate links to ensure you have the correct equipment for your UISP deployment. Just place your links on the map, set height of installation, and visualize your connection. When you're ready, simply check out with just a click. And with the all-new Profitability Calculator, you can predict when your UISP deployment will literally pay for itself. Start planning your link at ispdesign.ui.com. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Ubiquiti Insider updates.
All right, and that was a pretty jam-packed video. We have the latest updates and releases. We have the UXG Pro, which I do have behind me there, and I will be doing a review video on it later in this week. We have the G4 Instant, which I've already done a video on, Protect application, Talk application UID, which has been released in the USA, and then we have the Resource Calculator, which is new, and we will test that out in this video. We also have the UISP Design Center, which I'm not going to touch on in this video as I don't do a whole lot of USIP. Next up, they were showing more of the UXG Pro. I thought originally that the UXG was supposed to be paired with a UDM Pro to offload the network controller, but it looks like it's just going to be a standalone device. And they've also mentioned something about a cloud console. So this would be a server in the cloud in a data center somewhere where you're going to be pointing all your Ubiquiti devices to. And we will eventually take a look at that. They talked about the G4 Instant, which I've already done that review, and I will leave the review video link down below. Unifi Talk looks like it's getting a lot better with new upgrades, so we could do simultaneous call handling or sequential, which is really cool. And we could also have our voicemails going to our email, which is awesome. I really like that feature. and I will probably do an updated Unifi Talk video. The next thing they talk about is UID, which I have done a few videos on, but we will dig deeper into UID. Let me know what you want to know about UID, and I will try to make it into a video. And the next thing they were talking about is the Unifi OS Resource Calculator. So let's go take a look at what that is. To get to the Console Resource Center, we just need to go to calculator.ui.com. And this brings up the Unifi OS Console Resource Calculator. Select your desired Unifi application and system features to see which console is right for you. So we have a bunch of different consoles here. We have the Dream Machine, we have the Dream Router, UDM Pro, UDM SE, UNVR, UNVR Pro, CloudKey Gen 2, CloudKey Gen 2 Plus, and then the Cloud Console. Surprisingly, the UXG isn't on here, which I'm kind of confused about. But either way, let's take a look at a few of these. So just our base Dream Machine without any access points on it, it's using 6.70% CPU. And we could also see the memory usage. As we drag on more access points, we'll see our CPU going up. So if we had 40 access points on the Dream Machine, we could see that our CPU load is high. So if we need that many, we probably wouldn't want to go with that. The base Dream Machine, we can't put any cameras on, but we can check off advanced features. And then we could click the Show Advanced Features. So these advanced features include VPN, threat management, redundancy, saved video footage, and call recording. And we could also toggle the threat severity as well as the retention days. Let's take a look though on the UDM SE and how well it handles. With the UDM SE, we're going to have all of the console applications running. So protect, talk, and access. We'll say for a standard deployment, we have 10 access points. And then we have 5 HD cameras and 5 4K cameras. Also, we have about 10 handsets for our Unifi Talk. For doors, we might have 1 front door and 1 back door. We'd also like to have our VPN functionality, our threat management, and of course, redundancy and call recording. So we're going to check off all those boxes. And we'll also turn the threat severity to high. We could also turn up this retention day if we'd like, but we could see with just this setup, our CPU load is high. So this is when we'd want to go with something like maybe a Cloud Console. The Cloud Console, we won't be able to store any of our Protect footage though, so you'd have to buy that separately. But let's take a look at the Cloud Console. As you can see on the Cloud Console, the only thing available is our Unifi network. Protect, Talk, and Access aren't available. So we could pretty well have as many access points as we'd like on here. It's saying up to 500. And then we could check off only 2 of the advanced features, VPN and threat management. And we could also turn this up. So this Cloud Console would be paired with the UXG. That's why it's not showing up there, because the UXG doesn't have a built-in controller. Also, we could see here in an asterisk, assumes 10 clients per access point. Typically, you're going to have more clients than that. But that's going to be it for this Ubiquiti Insider. Obviously, it wasn't an April Fool's joke, and I think they did a really good job. I also think they're going to be releasing these once a month, so I'm excited to see what's up in May. If you have any questions about this video, please leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. All right, thanks.